Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to use Instagram Notes. The first step is you need to verify if you got the ultimate option of the Instagram app. And for that you need to go to the Play Store. And in the Play Store you need to search the Instagram app. Here, Instagram. And you need to verify if you got the button of upload or the button of open. This is abrir. This is open in English. But if you don't have any actualization, you go to. If you don't have any update, you go to Instagram, and you need to know if you have a professional account of Instagram, you don't have the notes. So if this is your case, you go to the settings here, and in the settings you need to go to the option of you need to go to the option of tools. This option give it to you like here, create tools and controls. You need to switch account type and pick in personal account. So the personal account, after you activated this option, you got the notes instantaneously. So this is the two reasons. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.